of 2019, GoPro unveiled the Max, its second attempt at a spherical camera, and since then it looked like the company has left the market. But today they quietly launched the GoPro Max 360. It is not a new design, but it's still capped at 5.6K resolution, though it improves the mounting options and battery, plus its MSRP is $150 lower than the original Max. Since it is 2025, it will obviously have AI features. First thing, the refreshed model is compatible with all standard 1x4x20 tripod mounts. The mounting point is under the folding finger that is standard on GoPros. The camera uses Enduro Battery with 1600 mAh. The battery can be used in extreme cold temperatures down to minus 10 degrees. The Quik App has made many improvements to make editing 360 on the go easier. There's a new AI-based object tracking. You can move the camera and adjust the digital lens setting using keyframes, or you can use automatic transitions. New camera effects and filters are also available. If you're editing on the desktop, you can now use the new Reframe plugin in Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects. GoPro Premium and Premium Plus subscribers get unlimited storage and can edit 360 videos stored in the cloud. It's available for $350, but it's very disappointing that the resolution is the same as it was 5 years ago. Rivals such as Insta360 has already launched the Insta360 X4, which is its first 8K camera, though it's more expensive at $500.